you looking for single-story living? How about a remodel? New kitchen, new bathroom, new flooring, new paint, new windows, new plumbing, new electrical, everything you can imagine. It's waiting for you at 23231 Cheswald Drive here in Laguna Niguel. Let's check it out. Thank you for viewing 23231 Cheswald Drive. For further information, or schedule your own private showing, call the number on your screen. I'm Jim with the Bishop team, your leading realtors here in Laguna Niguel and California.